Say hey, G. Hello, Happy New Year, Gussie Gears.
Give me that freak. Where we at?
Coldwater. There we go. All right. Happy New Year, Gussie Gears. And we got Gavin and Jason up ahead of me. So we're on Coldwater. And last time I rode Coldwater, I had an awesome ride. I'm really hoping I get a good ride in today. Beautiful day. January 7th, and it's gonna be a high of like 65 degrees. So, hope y'all enjoy. And that's called clipping your pedal on the rock.
We put those rocks there.
Yes, we did. I hope that...
And I can't believe it's still there.
Woo! Oh! We are at Rabbit Hole.
I think you must.
All right, here we go. Okay. I'm good. Yep. That might have to be edited. Oh, yeah.
Floyd!
There's Bomb Dog.
Was he a barber? He haunts these woods at night. You can hear him. Oh.
Any comments?
Cowabunga.
All right, man. Woo!
Sometimes you dig it up out of the ground, spread it all around. And when the moon is right on that backward path down by the cold moonlight, you can hear 3 young men scream. You can hear one old man laugh. If you never go back in the Blue Woods, well, you better not go at night. Things out there, the moon will be where the next strong man die of fright.
Oh my, welcome to my family.
I wouldn't believe it. Just had to find out for myself, and I couldn't conceive it.
Oh, my heel.
Because I never would listen to nobody else. There's some things in this world you just can't explain.
Don't let this thing get there.